Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. And before getting to the video, before getting to the tutorial, I'd like to introduce myself for the new ones that are coming to my channel and to this video. So, I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and my department is communication design. So what do we're designing apps, interaction designs. We do most of the things that is related to technology. So these days, social media is one of the main things that when you say technology, and the first things comes to your mind is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, those kind of things, right? So the reason why I started this channel, so I can help out people who may not be very familiar with using this platforms, or maybe they're just facing some problems trying to do simple things. That's why I'm here. I would like to help everyone out on those things. So, and also this is helping me when one day comes and I want to have my own app, so I know what kind of problems people are facing the most, so I will also have them in my mind, so I will be very careful while doing it. So let's get to our video now. So how to see what Twitter thinks your interests are. Like, Twitter has something on its mind about you. It watches your steps and learns your interests. Do you want to know more about it? If so, let's keep watching. So today I actually learned that Twitter thinks I'm interested in a lot of things. And maybe, yeah, I might need to remove some of those things because in my timeline they are coming back and showing up there even though that I'm actually not interested in them. For example, one of them was Vladimir Putin. Like, why do I have him in my interests, right? So, how we're gonna today, right now, I will show you how to customize those things. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click right here to more, and then we're gonna click settings and privacy. And from here, we're gonna go just account, and under the data and permissions, we're gonna go your Twitter data. And about this, as you can see, we have account history, apps, devices, information, activity, and interest, and ads data. We're gonna click here, and we're gonna choose the first one, interest from Twitter. So as you can see, I have a lot of things. FA Cup, I don't even know what it is. Is that, I don't know. It's a Turkish TV show, but I don't want it. So what I do is just doing this, click, and I'm removing them. So let's remove them together. I want to go down. Xbox, writing, not really. Women's tennis, might be. Weddings, a big no. Weather, no. As you can see, I have turned it off before because it was here. Like, really? So I'm into veganism, but I don't really need to know about very much about vegetables. Uber, we cannot use it in our country, so. U.S. national news, yeah. UFC, no. UFA, no. Twitter, travel. I can't do it right now. I'm a student. I'm stuck in this country for now, so I don't want to see anyone traveling around either. TikTok can say, The Simpsons, no. The Handmaid's Tale, TNS, television, technology should stay. Tech brands and tech person. Okay. Tattoos, sweets. Stormzy. I love him, but Starbucks can stay. I like their coffee. No. Soda. Social causes, sucker. I don't like sucker smoothies. So this is just how you do it. I have a lot of them, and I'm not sure if it's a good idea to be removing all of it in your presence right now, but now at least you know how to do it. And Like Twitter is also bringing back the reverse chronological timeline. Either we entered an alternative reality where Twitter cares about its users or something good. And Twitter officially rolled out the way to see your interests, just like I show you, and we customized them, and it happened recently. And this feature also gained a lot of attention the week that it came out, and everyone started sharing theirs online. So the main reason why we're customizing them actually because Twitter uses these interests in things that you have. What they're doing is they're determining what ads and content to show you. But I'm really not interested in Vladimir Putin, and I'm thinking what kind of ad or content you can bring about it. So these interest lists are based in part by your Twitter activity, maybe the things you have liked before, the accounts you're using, and if something doesn't look right, you can just customize it the way I just did it by doing this. Very simple. And so, for example, if you suddenly start hating comedy or something, you could just remove it from your list. So, and to see yours, what you're gonna do, I showed you. You're gonna click more, settings and privacy one more time. And from here, we're gonna go to your Twitter data, interest and data, interest from Twitter, and this is how you're gonna be getting to yours. So it was pretty easy. Now you know how to remove them, how to take them out. Maybe you don't even want those ads, but that's what Twitter do. So if you have any questions about this video or about Twitter, related to Twitter or related to any other social media platform, you can ask me in the comments and I'll come down there and I will try to answer all of your questions one by one. And at the same time, if you have any suggestions about my content or the ones that I don't have yet, maybe you don't know how to do such a thing, something, and you can ask me, can you do a tutorial on that? Then I'm gonna go and do it. Of course, if you let me know, I can know your suggestions, but if you don't, I won't have any other idea. So if you like this video and found it helpful, what I mean by helpful is you didn't know how to remove them, you didn't know how to customize your interests, and now you do, that means this video helped you out. So if it's this way, don't forget to like the video. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, because most probably you did, but in case of you didn't, maybe you forgot or something, you can just click, and it's way easier than customizing your interest because this one takes few steps, but mine just takes one click. So thank you guys for watching one more time, and see you guys in the next video.